It's good to be back. Let's talk about quantitative research. And in this video, I will be focusing on identifying statistical models. We have got two analytical statistical models, or the models that we have in statistics may be grouped into two groups, and the first group being descriptive and the second one being inferential. And the descriptive serves to describe your data set, and it helps you to understand the detail of your statistics. So that's basically what the descriptive statistic is doing. It's not doing much, it's not predicting, it is just helping you to understand how the participant have scored or how they have performed in the test. So when writing up statistical analysis, these are the first set of statistics researchers they normally report. In most quantitative research project, the first data to be reported is descriptive statistics. It's also good for you to understand and also to follow the pattern, because it will show to the examiners or to your supervisors whether you have collected enough data or you have involved the right participant in your investigation. So it's very important for you to make sure that whenever you are writing this a quantitative project, you report descriptive statistics first. And in descriptive statistics, what we are looking for, the first thing that we look for is the average. We can actually answer certain questions using descriptive statistics. And when we are answering questions using descriptive statistics, you need to determine whether the question requires you to use the mean or the average score, as in case of our example that is on the board there, or does it want you to use the median score? And also, when you report these two scores, it's also very important for you to understand that we normally report the mean or the median score side by side with the standard deviation. And we would want a standard deviation that is close to zero, because a standard deviation which is close to zero shows us that most participants or most numbers, they are close to the average. But if they are actually scattered everywhere, it also shows us that the individual scores are actually very far away from the average, which is a problem, because it might also show to us that your data have failed to meet the normality test. So we might want you to go and collect more data so that you've got enough participants, or we might ask you to use the non-parametrics statistical model in analyzing your data. Then also in descriptive statistics, we also make use of frequency numbers or frequency distribution statistics. This is actually statistics that is very common, especially for the people that are in the qualitative side of research. They normally use the frequency distribution. And when you are using frequency distribution in qualitative, it's also very important for you to note that you should not use the standard deviations, and you also should not use things like the percentage. You need to stay on the frequency side of your reporting. Then we have got the trends, the growth trends. For example, the example 3, it's actually asking for the developmental trajectory of gestures from 8 to 16 months. And whenever we are calling for the trends or the growth curves, we are actually calling for descriptive statistics. So it's very important for you to note that most of these modern data visualization, they are actually taking from descriptive statistics. So when we talk of data visualization, in most cases, we are actually talking of descriptive statistics. It's very important now for you to know that the questions that you have, so where are they taking their data from? Where are they drawing most of the data from? So if they are drawing data from descriptive statistics, so you need to know which type of numbers or which type of statistics should you use. Also, you need to take note that some supervisors will tell you that descriptive statistics is not a good model, or it's not a good statistical package for you to use when you claim that you are using quantitative research. So it's very important for you to consult with your supervisors or consult your department about that, because you can't claim to be using a quantitative research methodology and methods when you are using descriptive statistics only. So it's very important for you to take note of that. And that what I'm talking or what I'm saying now might be very subjective, depending with the departments. But in most departments, in most or with most people that have done statistics, they will reject descriptive statistics to be used uh, as as the tool, as the only tool in a quantitative research method. Thank you.